TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. We have the Dow Industrials trading down 92. You get the Nasdaq off 22. S&P's down 6.5. Gold contracts down $11.90 at $1,256 an ounce. We have silver down 28 cents at $17.41 an ounce. Platinum is down $9.90 at $9.67 an ounce. Light sweet crude up 61 cents. It's over the $50 mark. $50.43. You have the bond market. 10-year note down 6 ticks, 130. 30-year bond off 23 ticks, 165. King dollar's up 381 ticks, 96.50. The euro is trading at $1.11, and the yen is trading at 103.98. We go over into the S&Ps and we take a look at them. This is what you had out here yesterday, folks. S&Ps once again try to get into the downdraft from September 9th. Failed on price, failed on volume. Now we have, bottom line is that you're going to be trying to get into the lows that were established out here on Tuesday. Bottom line, what I expect you're going to see is light volume once again, and that's going to set up another run to the highs once again. Dow Industrials, same type of setup inside the Dow Industrials. What you have with the Dow Industrials, you're down $93 right now. You're coming into the lows. Well, you're not at the lows yet, but I expect we're going to try to get to those lows. More than likely, what you're going to see a rejection of price. This baby's setting up to make one more run, more than likely right into this jobs number that's coming out tomorrow morning. NDX 100. And where am I coming from? I'm coming from the NDX 100 and the NASDAQ Composite. So NDX 100 and the NASDAQ Composite, this is what you had. The Qs got into the lows of the high yesterday of September 22nd. Dramatically lighter volume. I expect what you're going to see out here today, you're going to back off with lighter volume. It's going to set up another run up into this $119.22 area. Right now, you're at $118.42. The composite, the NASDAQ Composite, is set up the exact same way. The composite couldn't handle the September 22nd high. It's going to back off today. I suspect you're going to see lighter volume. Gold contract. Okay, so what do we have with the gold contract? Gold contract is at $12.57. Now, the benchmark here is $12.59.10. $12.59.10 was where the gold contract took off on Brexit Day. That's when we went from $12.59 up to $13.68. Bottom line is, if you close over $12.59.10 today, that bounce will come in the gold market. That's on the shorter term. Longer term, this is a big ABC structure on the way down to $12.02. Silver, we take a look at the silver contract. I expect the same thing to happen in silver. The reason being, folks, is that the amount of energy that came out of that market on Tuesday was huge. So silver almost made it to Brexit so far. The number for silver is 17.25. We made 17.39. We'll see whether we hit that 17.25 level. Bonds, the 10-year and the 30-year. They both look that they're going to, number one, they're going to test the swing low, and we'll see whether it rejects it or not. In the 10-year, we're talking about 129.26. We've hit 129.31 thus far. We talk about the 30-year. What we have with the 30-year out here is trading at 164.31. The number we're looking for is 164.17. 165. It's trading at 165. We're looking at 164.17. And good old King Dollar. So King Dollar gets over its September and August highs. And this is going to be a one to watch out here, because what we have is this. King Dollar's done 11,000 contracts. That is not a huge amount of contracts. We'll see whether King Dollar can hold the 96.48. The way we're trading thus far, it looks to me that we could back off that number slightly and build more cause. Bottom line, market-wise out here, what I'm looking for is that I'm looking for rejection of lower price out here today. You're going to have lighter volume. That's setting up a run to get to a test once again for the NDX 100 and the NASDAQ Composite. Markets, we get tradable markets in a huge way. This 10 a.m. update is brought to you each and every day by Everbank. For more information on the products they offer, you can give them a call at 855-750-4051 or visit everbank.com/TFNN. Have a great day. Have a safe day. Look forward to speaking right back here, 10 o'clock tomorrow morning.
If you're looking to discover a new financial resource and diversify your financial portfolio, consider the new Market Safe Focus Commodity CD from Everbank. This 5-year U.S. dollar-denominated CD gives you exposure to 6 equally weighted commodities, including gold, silver, copper, nickel, soybeans, and sugar, in one powerful CD. With annual pricing caps of 50% per component, you could earn up to a 50% upside payment at maturity if the commodities increase in value across annual pricing dates. And should the opposite occur, your principal is 100% protected. Keep in mind, returns are based on CD performance. There is no annual percentage yield or periodic rate of interest on this index CD. Don't miss out. Take advantage of this financial resource designed to grow with the times. The October 13th funding deadline will be here before you know it. So hurry over to everbank.com/TFNN for the CD's term sheet and other important product details and disclosures. Once again, that's everbank.com/TFNN. This advertisement is sponsored content. Everbank is a member FDIC.